Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. Just cook DC Campari. Let us make our jungle one. Like I said, I don't know where they come up with these names, but if you get a chance, Google it, find out. It's a great drink. Campari, rum, pineapple juice, simple syrup, fresh lime juice, tumbler, shaker. Let's make this drink. Alright, cocktail ice, shaker full of ice. We are gonna do 1.5 ounces of rum, right in the shaker. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Campari. There's not many drinks you get with Campari, so celebrate this one. You get to use Campari. Alright, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Right in the shaker. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Right in there, which is just sugar. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Get my squeezer in there, get that going. I'm gonna save that for the garnishing. That should give me 1.5. There we go. Set to the side. We're gonna give this a 15-second shake. Work those muscles. That should do it. And we are gonna strain this into our tumbler with the cocktail ice. Beautiful, nice pinkish color is what you're gonna get. That's the Campari working its magic. With the garnish, you can go to town with this. You can use pineapples, cherries, the whole nine. I'm gonna use my leftover lime wedge. Boom. Let's try this drink. Refreshing, citrusy, simple syrup, Campari, fresh pineapple juice. This is good. Pass it the smell test. Oh yeah. Alright. Beautiful day in DC. This is a drink I have. Thank you for spending time with me. Enjoy your weekend.